Okay, so we just did a little summary or like walk around like everything we have learned in the class so far. And this is very important, especially for your midterm evaluation. So for us to check that you have actually learned all of these concepts, I want you to replicate something like what I did in there in your own way. You don't have to do exactly this model. Like if you want to use a different medium, but something that actually you're building and then you're showing me that you understand each one of those concepts, it's what I'm looking for on this assignment. Basically, I want you to give me like a whole picture of what you have learned, and that's where the mind map is kind of my go-to option for that. But if you want to use something else, if you want to just sketch manually, that works as well. Just find a way of recording that sketching. Or if you want to use something more like PowerPoint or something like that, that works as well. But it works better when you are actually creating it, I think. So I also want you, and it's kind of like a 30 minutes video, I want you to give me like a broad description of like all of the concepts, as I just show you, like everything we have learned in the class, and for that I want you to spend like 10 minutes. But then I want you to choose one specific concept that you really like, or that you want to do a deep down dive, or whatever, like in-depth explanation, and then explain it very clearly, like that specific concept, and to include an online, like live coding explanation or demonstration in the same way that I have done in my videos. Okay, finally, as usual, I'm going to ask you to go and include a creative addition, something that differentiates you from everyone else, that it's to think in the class and actually helps you getting a job. So this is going to be critical for you all. Then I want you to record all of this into a video and post it into YouTube or another place where it's completely public. So I want you to think about it as a way of you starting to create like an online presence. Try to create like something that is actually very useful, and then make sure to go and post it on YouTube or Blue Sky. I'm actually going to include in here out of suggestion from my other class, Blue Sky or LinkedIn. I hope I'm spelling that correctly. Or if you want to record on a different format, like if you want to go crazy and then try to do like a TikTok or Instagram or a YouTube reel and then divide it just into multiple videos, we can also talk about that. Just let me know and we can use that. Okay, so take a look at that. If you have any questions, please do let us know. Okay.